Alright guys, welcome back. So today I got this 2018 Ford Transit T350 HD. So AUTOONE I'll send me some LED bulbs to test them out, guys. I always use these bulbs that I purchased on Amazon as well, guys. So and they are really good. So I just want to make sure show you guys how I install these. They're really good and super bright. I use them all the time. I've been using them for years, guys, and it's really good. So that's how the light look. So I got some LEDs in here. These are super bright, guys. These bulb right here, AUTOONE. Well, I'll pin the link in the description, guys, where I can get yours. It's a bit airtight. Alright guys, so right here I have the 905 and the, let's see, H11. So this is the H11 right here. It's a bit sunny, guys, but it's good. Alright, H11 bulbs. These are the 905. So let me see. I'm just gonna show you guys how I do on one side because it's a bit tight on one side. So hopefully I can show you guys this side how I change it. So let me see. Alright, let me remove this wire harness from that clip, get it out the way. Alright, so let me see which one of them go right here. First, just hold the cap and pull it from this piece right here, guys. Let me see now if I can be able to see in the hole. Alright, so that's it right there, guys. 905 right there. And you have to twist it. Alright, so from the back of the bulb, you're gonna twist it to the left side, guys, to get it out. Here we go. As you can see, I already got some of these bulbs right here, guys. Plug it off. Just push this clip right up right here, guys. Push it and slide it out just like that, guys. And this is what 905 right there for now. 905. Alright, there you go. And then I'm gonna put it back in the hole. And I'm gonna twist it to the right hand side this time, guys. Alright, so hopefully I get it in correct. Alright guys, so it's a bit difficult because I'm using my one hand, guys, and the bulb, the case is tight around here. Alright, let me see if I can put the camera down a little bit, guys. Alright guys, so I finally get it in right there. You can see, go in those 3 slots and twist it to the right. And there you go. That's it. So now I'm going to do the other side. Put on back this cover. now let me see if I can get the other side now, guys. It's a bit difficult behind there. So that's it right there, guys. Again, that's the H11. Twist it to the left. There you go, right there. I push just like the other one. And put it off. Right, so this is the H11. Alright guys, so I don't know if y'all can see it really good, but as you can see right here, that's the bulb in the slot from the outside. When I put it in, I'm going to twist it to the right until it lock in place. Okay, so that's as far as I can get it right here, guys, but it's in place, it's not moving. So that should be it right there, guys. Alright guys, so that's it right here for now. So later, when it's get dark, I'll do a video showing you guys how bright it is. So stay tuned for the other part of the video, guys. Alright guys, welcome back. So now I'm in the van. I'm gonna check the lights to make sure they're working fine. So let me turn it on. As you can see, it's super bright. There you go. Go to the front and look at it. Alright, so I'm gonna go on the road and give it a test drive and see how it look. Come inside, Jerome. Come. Turn your seatbelt.
Yeah.
Turn your seatbelt. Alright, so me and my son gonna go out and for a test drive.